Friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Claritec. Claritec has clarithromycin in it. This bottle has clarithromycin 125 mg in every 5 milliliter of the suspension, and these are drops which are flavored, and it's for pediatric use. This is made by Getz Pharma and the price for the bottle is 136 rupees. Clarithromycin is indicated for treatment of infections due to susceptible organisms such as lower respiratory tract infections, bronchitis, pneumonia, upper respiratory tract infections, pharyngitis, sinusitis, tonsillitis, acute otitis media in children's skin and soft tissue infections, folliculitis, cellulitis, impetigo, abscesses, disseminated or localized mycobacterial infections due to MAC, to eradicate Helicobacter pylori in treatment regimens for peptic ulcer disease, to prevent disseminated Mycobacterium avium complex disease in patients with advanced HIV, and as an alternative treatment to penicillins for prophylaxis of endocarditis. Clarithromycin is used to treat bacterial infections. It will not work for common flu and common cold. Using any antibiotic when it is not needed may cause it not to work for future infections. Take this medication by mouth with or without food or as directed by your doctor. The dosage and length of the treatment are based on the medical condition and response to the treatment. In children, the dosage may be based on weight, but the usual recommended dose for Claritec is in adults is 250 mg tablet twice daily. In more severe infections, the dosage can be increased to 500 mg twice daily. The usual duration of therapy is 6 to 14 days. And for children, the usual recommended daily dose of Claritec suspension is 7.5 mg per kg twice a day, up to a maximum of 500 mg twice daily. The usual duration of treatment is 5 to 10 days depending on the pathogen involved and the severity of the condition. This medication may be harmful for pregnant and breastfeeding mothers, so take caution when using it during pregnancy. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.